What are the top 5 resources for cleaning business owners? Oh, this is going to be fun. I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, or 5, or 6, or 10, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, if you are new here, I ask that you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. We are here 5 days a week, and we answer your house cleaning questions, and we help you grow a cleaning business. When you come back to your feed, whether it's YouTube or it's a podcast, we will be here on your main page. We'll be waiting for you, and we can pick up the conversation, and we can help you on your journey. All right, on to today's show. We had somebody that called in and asked this question.
Hi, yes, my name is Tasha Gibson, and I'm new to the house cleaning business. And I would like to know if you ever heard of Dun and Bradstreet, and also the company called Nav. And if so, I would like to get some more information about that and what your recommendations would be on that. And also, I would like to know the recommendations for the software to use for billing and things like that, and following like a W-4 and to keep up with scheduling and drive time and things or so and such forth.
Hey Tasha, welcome to the wonderful world of house cleaning. I am super excited for you. Okay, so from now through the rest of your career, you're going to be learning new things. So where do you go to find those new things? You asked for recommendations for apps and software, all kinds of stuff. All right, so the very first resource that I want to share with you is if you go to savvycleaner.com. On the top bar, there are several resources for you, but one of them is called resources, and they are hand-picked different special recommendations that I recommend. Now, they're not just recommendations, but we have partnered as Savvy Cleaner. We have partnered with a variety of different specialists that know and understand the house cleaning business, and they're offering their services to us for a discount to you. So instead of you just going out and trying to find some help or find a solution, we have a solution that is targeted and trained for the house cleaning industry. And the person that runs it and the person that's behind it knows house cleaning, and they understand the industry, and they are helping you, and then they offer a discount. So check it out, savvycleaner.com/resources. And I will leave links in the show notes to the things that I'm talking about today, just so that you have them at your disposal. Okay, so the next thing that I recommend is the Savvy Cleaner training. This is a membership program. We have 2 different memberships. We have one for business owners and one for employees. And they have different types of training. One is a training and certification program for your employees. The other one is the more nuts and bolts about how to run a business, how to hire people, how to get along with difficult customers, when to hire and fire people, those kinds of things. The other one is more specific to chemical safety, workplace safety, inclusion, acceptance, behaviors, how to deal on a job, what to wear on a job, how to clean, that kind of stuff. So they are 2 different types of programs, but you have accessibility to that program on a monthly membership, as well as ongoing courses that keep reappearing and quarterly training that keeps coming up, refresher courses. And then we have group coaching, and you have network support. So that is another resource for you, Savvy Cleaner training. Again, savvycleaner.com. All right, the next resource that I recommend to you is Kindle Library. This is through Amazon. It's a monthly subscription as well. It's about $10.17 per month if you're in the United States. And what it offers you is 10 books at a time that you can check out from the virtual library. Now, if you decide to buy the books are at a seriously reduced price that you can then keep and use as a reference book on your phone at all times in your learning library. So as a business owner, there's a lot of stuff that you're going to want to learn. If you stumble upon a particular avenue that you're not good at, let's say it's hiring employees, you may want to do a deep dive, and for a series of a couple of weeks, read all the books you can about hiring, questions to ask in interviews, how to manage employees, how to manage employee expectations, when you should write up an employee, and all that stuff. That will be a great learning opportunity for you. And when the book is done, you just dismiss it and send it back to Amazon and check out the new series of books. So it's a great investment in your business. The 4th recommendation that I have for you for cleaning business owners is YouTube. Now on YouTube, there are thousands of videos that are created for the cleaning industry. And so if you're unsure how to do something, just a simple keyword search will direct you to videos on how people do it, and you can find the right way for you. And then also the Ask a House Cleaner show, which is the show that you're listening to right now, is available. And we have over 1,000 shows that answer house cleaning questions. So you can get really specific just by typing in Angela Brown, which is my name, and then whatever the keyword is behind it to find a video that we've probably created on that. And if we have not created a video and you have a question, you can go to askahousecleaner.com and you can ask your question there. There's a little blue button in the corner. All right. And the fifth resource is podcasting. There are thousands of podcasts that are available to you that you can be listening to while you clean. And so if you're trying to learn about accounting, if you're trying to learn about investing, if you're trying to learn about all the different nuances of personalities, maybe you're trying to learn to get along with difficult customers, there are podcasts about that and for that, and they're absolutely free. So if you go to your smartphone, it doesn't matter what type of smartphone you have, just do a search for podcast apps. They will pop up, sign one up, and then just do a search for whatever the topic is. There are all kinds of entertaining podcasts, but there are a lot of didactic podcasts that are intended to teach. And so they will teach you, they will help you progress in your business. And so I encourage you to check out podcasting, to check out YouTube, to check out the Kindle app, which includes all the 10 different books per month. And it's not per month, it's as long as you want to keep them. The Savvy Cleaner Learning Library, and then also the Savvy Cleaner Resources, which is at the top of the website. So those are the 5 top recommendations that I recommend for cleaning business owners just getting started in the business. That will give you enough information. You can go for years, and we keep adding stuff all the time. So stay tuned, stay close to us, and we will help you on your journey. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up. If we've earned your subscription, please subscribe. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.